Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily unsubscribe from someone in the Facebook app. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes, write your comments after watching this video, and also subscribe to our channel. So, friends, in order to do this, you'll need to first go to Facebook, open it. And then right from the news feed, you can scroll through and find some person, for example, that you'd like to unsubscribe from. Then go to their page. And as you can see, I'm friends with this person. And the first way to unsubscribe from this person, is to click on the word friends. And then select unsubscribe. So you will no longer see news about that person. Also, if, for example, you don't want to just see that person's news in your feed, but you don't want to stop being Facebook friends with that person, then click on these three dots to be exact. Next, select following. And here, as you can see, it's set by default that you can see this person's notifications, some of their new photos, and so on in your feed. And if you don't want to do that, then just select unfollow. And that's it. After that, you will stay friends with this person, but you will not see any more notifications in your Facebook news feed from this person. But if you want to unsubscribe from several people at once, then you will need to go to the menu section, then Friends, then Your Friends. And here, opposite each person, there are three dots that you can click on. And then you can simply choose to unsubscribe from the person, choose Unfollow. So you will no longer see any news about that person. And so you can go through as much as you need to, going through your entire list of friends. That's the simple way you can unsubscribe from people on Facebook. I hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please leave your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.